Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Now, road work will soon begin along South Camp Road in St. Andrew, but the National Works Agency is insisting this evening that it will not cause major inconvenience to motorists. TVJ's Kelisha Williams put the issue to the agency's communication and customer service manager today.
We have seen the chaos.
We are the one. Up and down. Look and go on 4 corner. We lock it down.
And the confusion in the capital.
I don't even know where we are right now.
And yet another road work is about to start. A $2.26 million project which will see changes along Camp Road in St. Andrew between Tom Redcombe Drive and the UWI Open Campus.
It's not a project akin to, say, Hagley Park Road or Constant Spring Road because we already have quite a bit of space along Camp Road to facilitate the works.
As you can see behind me, work has already started to upgrade the perimeter fencing at the JDF camp. But over the next couple of months, motorists along this thoroughfare can expect delays as the workmen move on to Camp Road to upgrade the drainage infrastructure.
What will happen is that we are going to be relocating the JDF's main entrance gate from its current location, which is roughly less than 100 meters from the Tom Redcombe Drive intersection. It has caused a lot of problems in the past.
According to Communications and Customer Services Manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, the road will also be widened after the drainage work is completed and is not expected to dislocate businesses in the area. But why start the road work now with several projects underway in the corporate area?
Well, we have a funding arrangement in place, and the funding arrangement at the end of March or the end of April, I believe, the financing arrangement should come to an end. I know that we have had extensions granted before. I am not aware that another one has been granted. So the funds having been committed, the works must be done.
Funding aside, Mr. Shaw says work is near completion along Hagley Park Road and in the Constant Spring area. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.